Tom Duffy with Summit Commercial Real Estate. It's Saturday, May 11th, and I'm in front of 3321, 3323, and 3325 13th Street Southeast, an apartment project that we're in the market for financing. Wanted to show you the property, the neighborhood, and what they're doing. And this is it, the front entrance. This is a gated property. Next to it is a Pepco building. Otherwise, it's pretty much self-contained. With alleys on both sides in the rear. Across the street is a property that was bought last year by National Housing Trust. Very nice success story where they partnered with the tenants groups to rehab the apartments and make sure it's maintain good management, leasing, good tenants. And as you can see, it's in pretty good shape. If you can see up the street there's a traffic light. That's where the Congress Heights Metro is. We're about a block and a half from that. This property is 3 buildings on 3 separate lots. As you can see, work has started. Currently, paint has been done on all 3 buildings. Some site work has been done. 3323 is currently getting most of the work. It's the one building that has a little more square footage because of the basement. So they've been working down the basement to get an extra unit, and I'll show you in 1 minute what's going on. Then this property, as you see, good access. There is parking in the rear, parking for plenty of cars, and it is a busy day here, but I think there's about 20 spaces. This property is fully gated to make it more secure, to make it self-enclosed, and there's a very nice courtyard that we envision to be a nice community amenity. Some of these basements, window wells have been dug out to make the basement more attractive. As you can see, ramps is handicapped accessible. This is 3323, which is getting most of the work right now. We're starting here and we're going to move on to the others. Again, window wells have been dug out to give more light and air and visibility all the way around. Downstairs, looks like it's too much noise right now, but as you can see, framing has been done. This is going to be a 5-bedroom unit. Very spacious, high ceilings. Ductwork has been put in. Now we go upstairs. These are 3-story walk-ups. Some electric has been put in. And as you can see, they're working hard. All permits have been obtained to work on this building. The property was recently purchased. It was purchased as a vacant building. There were no tenants displaced or anything. And it is probably too loud to go down there. Excuse me, sir. But things are moving along nicely. And let me just share the permit. And as I said, buildings are permitted and everything is compliant. And just to walk around the perimeter, I'm in the rear, which again is, this property is bounded by an alley. on all three sides, and then a street in front. So it's got great light and air. Structurally very sound. These buildings were built in 1952. Solid brick construction, just needed to be rehabbed. And this is being done a full gut rehab down to the studs and being rebuilt. And actually look forward to coming back here and doing more progress photos so everyone can see the work. But very quality project with experienced developer and contractor, and should certainly be a nice addition to the community.